Hello there. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to get at Monzo bank statement. So since I'm still waiting for my account to be approved on Monzo, I can't access to it. However, I have visual aids for you to go through with this tutorial. Let me just pull up the visual aids I have right here. So here we go. So basically, first things first, of course, opening up the application Monzo, and then tapping the home icon in the menu bar. That is the first section on the lower left. After that one, clicking the manage button on top right of your transaction feed. That's going to be the three lines on the top right. Next is bank statements. That is the first section on the new landing page. Next one is going to be selecting the date range you'd like. For example, you want to check the banking statement for April 1, 2023 to March, or rather July 1st, 2023. Choose a starting date to end date, and then simply select the format you'd like the document to be in. For example, PDF, CSV, or QIF. Basically, the most famous one is going to be PDF. Anyway, that is how to check your bank statement in Monzo. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.